Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add emotion in Elevenlabs. So first thing that you will do is simply go to elevenlabs.io, and this will be their homepage. So guys, in order for you to add an emotion, first you have to go to the voices on the top left corner, and now from here you have to create your voice. So click create on the top right over here, and now design a voice. So from here, guys, you will have here a prompt. So from here, just simply put it over here. And also, guys, make sure to be more specific, because the more specific you are, the better the result. So I added a add emotional depth and subtle expressiveness capable of conveying warmth, curiosity, concern, or urgency when needed, while maintaining a composed and authentic tone. So guys, this prompt is very good. So just simply copy this one if you prefer, and you could have a text to preview over here and select generate a voice. And if you want to adjust it, just simply go for the settings, and you could adjust the loudness, quality, and the guidance scale, and select generate voice once you are done. And now from here, you will have three voices, and you could just simply select a voice that you prefer, and just simply name the voice design, and just simply provide a label if you prefer, and just simply select save a voice. And guys, when you go to the text to speech, make sure to select your voice that you just have created, and select explore from the library, and select my voices over here, and select your own voice to use. Now guys, just simply go to my voices over here, and make sure you are in the voices tab, and here is the prompt that we created, and just simply select this one, use voice, and it will be on your prompt. And you could just simply go ahead and provide the text over here, and you could generate a speech. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.